and me are going on to a bicycle trip through Bruges.
Yes.
So it's 3 kilometers from my house. My mom is gonna be the guide. She's gonna show us all of Bruges. It's raining a little bit, but we manage.
And she's fitter than both of us combined. Put in a lot of effort to keep up.
She has an electrical bike as well. So yeah. Okay, let's do it. We are going inside of Bruges now for the first time.
Yes.
Excited?
Very excited.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You go in front
What
of
are you
me.
waiting for? Go.
That is Bruges, my guys. This is one of the gates, the Ghent port, to enter the old city. Over the water we go.
Go ahead. Okay.
We're inside. Astrid Park. Yes. This is a lot of people. This is the fish market from the early ages. But now they are also selling some different stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah, souvenirs.
Oh. Very touristy.
Yes, very touristic here. This is the center of Bruges. We're going into the bicycle parking. Because we love bicycling. Woo! I'm stuck. Yes, it's free.
Welcome to the Markt, the historical heart of Bruges. Surrounded by colorful houses, cafes and restaurants, this square is watched over by the iconic Belfry. In the center stands Jan Bredel and Pieter de Koninck, heroes of Bruges past. Every Wednesday, it turns into a lively market and it's also the starting point of the famous horse carriage tours. This is Bruges at its most classic.
We are just in the shopping street of Bruges. Lots of chocolates, bobbin laces. And we are on our way to Mom's, the Burgt, where the holy blood of Jesus awaits us. And the mayor building. And my mom will do the guiding from now.
It just smells of bakery
And
bread
waffles.
and waffles.
Yeah.
Coffee. It's amazing.
It's a very good smell. You can actually go into the mayor house or what? Come.
This is the Bruges City Hall. It was built in the 1300s and it's still used today for official events like weddings and city meetings. It's one of the oldest Gothic city halls in the region and it's a big part of the Bruges history. Inside you can still see the old Gothic architecture, the tall arches and the detailed stonework.
This is the Burgt. That's the mayor house. It's actually renovated. They made it white again. This is the Holy Blood Chapel.
Okay.
There we can go inside, but it's real busy.
There you go.
And you can see where the Holy Blood is kept.
This is the Basilica of the Holy Blood. It's a small but very special chapel known for keeping a relic set to contain drops of the Christ's blood. The building has two parts, a dark Romanesque lower chapel and a bright, colorful upper chapel. It's one of the most important religious sites in Bruges. From the Basilica of Holy Blood, we walk straight into one of Bruges' sweetest shops. the chocolate line. It's a famous Belgian chocolate shop known for its creative flavors and handmade pralines. It's a perfect place to treat yourself after exploring the historical square.
Selecting the raw cacao, roasting the cacao here.
You can see it. You can see it through the hole. Yeah.
Yes,
Grinding it out.
roasting, probably
Roasting it, yeah,
heating it.
heating
Huh?
it, yeah.
So then here you have winnowing,
Removing the shell.
grinding, and then here they're making it. Oh, these are my favorite. This is such a good sweets from Ghent.
No, what is it made of?
Ghent knows sugar, carbonate, yeah.
Oh, raspberry.
It's so good, so good.
Candy. Baked candy. Very nice.
Smells delicious, huh? Yeah, this is also so good, truffles. Very delicious. Chocolate, huh? We get it somewhere out of Bruges, where it's cheaper.
We walked past the St. Salvator Cathedral and continued towards the Oud Sint-Jan. This historical site used to be one of the oldest hospitals in Bruges. Today, the old buildings are used for exhibition, art shows and cultural events. It's quite a spot with a lot of medieval charm. Now we arrive at the Wijngaardplein. It's a small, charming square right next to the Begijnhof, known for its old houses, quiet atmosphere and the swans that gather around the water.
These are the Swans of Bruges and
That's the swan of India.
Swan of India.
Yes.
We are going now inside the Begijnhof. And yeah, the Bruges, because there are so many Bruges here, kind of sea, is very pretty. It's actually every point I am directing to is picture worthy, no?
Especially this one.
It's a peaceful corner of Bruges, known for its white houses, quiet gardens and the community of Beguines who once lived here. They were women who chose a simple religious lifestyle without becoming nuns. They lived, worked and prayed together, but kept their freedom.
Then you stay here for 5 years and then you just change your mind. Right. So you get best of both worlds.
They could leave anytime or even get married. Places like this were safe, supportive communities for women in the Middle Ages. Now we're at the Boniface Bridge. It's one of the most romantic spots in Bruges, a tiny stone bridge surrounded by old houses, quiet channels and a beautiful view. It looks ancient, but it's actually built in the early 1900s and it feels like stepping into a fairy tale.
What? Where are we going?
Going to our own special spot.
It's very much here.
Yes.
Go, I stand here every week. We do it like that.
Yeah. There's one boat passing.
You can also see Bruges by boat. The channels give you a completely different view of the city. Hidden corners you can only spot from the water. It's one of the best ways to experience the charms of Bruges.
This is the bridge, the famous
Bonifacius Bridge.
Bonifacius Bridge behind this big church. Onze Lieve Vrouwenkerk. Huh? And here is the museum line. These spaces. And the oldest and the smallest houses of Bruges are here behind it. And again we have the Belfry, where we start the trip. Back. So next we are going to the fish market, right?
Go buy some fish, prepare it at home for dinner. Right, Enia? Enia's gonna do it.
Only in the morning, early morning. So this is the fish market. So normally you have like all like fish in here. So this is like where they put all the fishes. But for now it's more of a marketplace. And sometimes I do like a concert here. We're going back to our bicycle! That way. Good times, we were driving back from Bruges home, enjoying the sunset. So yes, I'm gonna get back on my bike and we're going home for some delicious food.